Ladies and gentlemen, ChatGPT just came out with its latest feature, scheduled tasks. ChatGPT is one step closer to having that AI assistant that can do everything for us. Now, if you have the free version, you're not getting this feature. Everybody else, you're getting this feature. You have it right now. It's in beta. All you have to do is in the top left corner, you just click and you'll see now there's a GPT 4.0 with scheduled tasks. Just choose that. And all you have to do is just prompt it to create a task. Let me show you how it works. So I'll write something like create a task where you can give me tips on how to improve my YouTube channel every day. Press enter and it'll have created the task. Now you're going to see that it's going to look like this. If you hit the three dots here, you open it up, you can edit it. So right now it named it improve YouTube channel. And the instructions tell me to improve my YouTube channel by giving a quick tip. The way you want to think about this instruction box is think of it as a prompt box for ChatGPT. So you would prompt it the way you would prompt ChatGPT. So if I were to prompt it in the ChatGPT, I would say something like act like the smartest YouTube creator in the world and give me a quick tip to improve my YouTube channel. Now, if you click the schedule, it'll open up and you can go daily, weekly, monthly, annually. You can customize it however you want. That's up to you. I'm going to go with daily. And then you could put any time you want. It breaks it out into 15 minutes, but if you want to do it on any odd minute, you can. It's 9:12. I'm going to put 9:13 a.m. so I can quickly show you this. You'll get an email that looks like this, where you can go and view the message. Click view message. It'll open right up into your ChatGPT tasks and give you the tip of the day. Focus on your thumbnails today. Use bold, easy to read text, vibrant colors, and a clear focal point to grab attention. A great thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. You can use ChatGPT tasks to do something as simple as remind you of an appointment that you have later or someone's birthday. But of course, you already have a calendar to do something like that. Or you can use it like an AI assistant and get even more out of ChatGPT tasks. You can find all of the ones that you've created. You just go over to your profile picture, click that, and right at the top it says tasks. Click that, and it'll show you all the tasks that you have. Currently, I've created 5. Let me show you some of the examples of the tasks that I've created. Now, once the task is created, if you want to edit it or make changes to it, they're going to be over on your profile picture. You click that and you'll see it says tasks, the first item, and it'll list all your tasks. Let me give you some other examples of tasks that I've created and how you can use it. Here's the first one, share one undervalued stock. I'm having it search the internet and find one stock that appears to be significantly undervalued. Give me pros and cons to investing in this. I have that coming to me daily, every morning. The first one it gave me was Comcast Corporation. I'll have to check that out later. Here's another example where I've asked ChatGPT to share an inspirational leadership quote from a well-known figure and write it in email form as if it's coming from me so the team can take actionable steps to apply its message in our work. Quote from Simon Sinek, and it's in email form, so I could just literally copy paste. And here's one more. Research the latest trends in generative AI and craft tailored posts for LinkedIn, X, and Facebook. Focus on the most popular and relevant news of the day for each platform. Ensure each post ties into topics relevant to me, reflecting my voice and style. Refer to my customized ChatGPT instructions and what you know about me to make the content sound authentic and aligned with my expertise. You see where this is going? This is where the ChatGPT assistant is now referring to my customized ChatGPT and what it's remembered of me from all of the use that I've had with ChatGPT. So that when it creates the post, it's going to sound a lot more like me, and it's specifically going to focus on the type of client that I'm trying to get. So here's what it gave me: a LinkedIn post, there's my X post, there's my Facebook post, and notice that it's also saying as a consultant dedicated to assisting small business owners in areas of profitability, cash flow, and leadership. So it's picking up information right out of my customized ChatGPT, and it's adding information that it remembers of me as I'm using my ChatGPT. If you want to edit the schedule, you can just change the schedule. If you want to edit the time, you can just change the time. You can pause them and you can delete them at any time. At least for now, OpenAI said that at least for now, you can make up to 10 of these. If you need more than 10, you're going to have to either pause or delete some of them. One last thing, as you're going to see, they're good. They're not great, but you could see where this is headed. We are eventually going to get to the point where ChatGPT is going to know us so well and be this AI assistant that can do everything. That's reason enough to get into the habit of testing these out. I look forward to hearing in the comments the unique ways that you're using it. Thanks for watching.